Welcome to my channel GMs, and this is all about Hamster Kombat. For those of you that have been confused on how to run or to do things, you do most of the tasks on the Hamster Kombat. I'm just going to show you from this video. And firstly, a friend will send you a link, and from the link is going to direct you to Telegram. And if already you already have an account on it, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about Hamster and how to do the major things that is going to make you be ahead of others. You understand? So you just go to your Telegram. When you open your Telegram app, maybe probably, let me say, link was just sent to you. It's going to direct you to Hamster Combat, where you have to keep any more coins of hamster coins. You understand? Then let's say, for instance, like you already have an account, then you don't have an issue, just go directly to your account, which I'm also doing. So here you just click on play in one click that, so it directs you to your official account. So thank God and God bless, Hamster is just going to launch under Tom blockchain, which is very good. Okay, great, we are here right now. So one thing you need to understand here is for you to choose an exchange app. The first thing you need to understand, that is it, you need to choose an exchange app, which is this exchange here. You choose and say I choose Gate.io. You will see where you can change it. Yeah, I think so. You can change it. You come here, choose exchange. You can select any other one that you want. That if you don't want the Gate.io or the one that you choose before, you don't want it again, you want to change it to another exchange, crypto exchange app, which is good, not bad. But one thing we need to understand is this: in all of this is where our work is. Though we already saw the one of exchange, you need to go to mine, difference, and airdrop. And the next one you need to understand is this profits per hour. So the one I want you guys to understand is this mining. You come to mining. So one thing you need to always do when you are at mining is the daily combo. When you complete this daily combo, these three daily combo of hamster, you'll be able to get 5 million of these hamster coins. So how do you go about that? It's very easy. It's either you click on markets, check it, look for the one that is supposed to be there, or you check a PL and team, go down, look for it. Then you check legal, go down and look for it, or you check special cards, you click on new cards, you check which one. So now, how to get this daily combo is very easy. Just go to your Twitter app. When you get to your Twitter app, this is what you need to do. Go to click on the search button, click on search, then write hamster daily combo. Hamster daily combo. Hamster daily combo. It's going to show to you. It's going to show those that have already solved their puzzles. You see, today's puzzle is what? Is this? So this is today's puzzle. No, now we need to go to. There are two shares, USDT on turn and turn plus Hamster Kombat equals sources. So those are the three we have to work on. 3 are on 2 shares. So we look for it. Okay. We are still looking for it. Okay, we've seen three. Sorry, special. You go to special. This is 3. You can see it. 3 are 2 shares. If you go there, you see that we have 3 are 2 shares. and also look for this USDT on turn. We already see 2 shares, so we go there now and buy it. Okay, that's done. Cool. First card is ready. Don't stop. So it's remaining two. I think I saw the next one. I saw the next one. Yeah, turn plus hamster. This one cost me 1.1 of coins. So I'm going to get it too also. So this one's gotten. So it's remaining one. You can see it. We are pushing. You are pushing. You are moving forward. Yeah. The next one is remain. The next one remain is this USDT on turn. So USDT on turn cost about 238 and 399. Okay, we go ahead and purchase that. Now we get the 5 now. Yeah, the combo is complete. You are doing great. Take the price. You can see it was around 24 before. No, we purchased some coins, which is good. But what the guy want to understand is this: in as much you are unlocking this daily combo every day to get 5 million of these Hamster Kombat coins, always try as much as possible to be like to buy. No, you don't have to wait for daily combo for you to get that 5 million before you can be able to start buying all these coins, all these we buy use your coins to buy all these, because the more you buy, the more you engage with market, PR, legal and special. Let's take for instance this one. You want to get this one out with 132,000 of hamster coins. It's already, because this is the reason why I said that we need to work with our profit power. We need to make sure that our profit power is always increasing, like it's high, because it all depends. The more of hamster coin you get, it all depends on the profit power, how you have been able to increase your profit power. Imagine it's around 374.9. So let's say for instance I want to purchase this now, you see that it will increase, because the reason is because the profit per hour of this coin will get us 2.6. That which 132,000 of hamster coin will get us 2.66 profit per hour. And if this 2.66 is added to this what's it called, this 374, it will increase this amount maybe to 376. Yes, it's supposed to 376 or 377. So let's just purchase it right now. You see the influence now. You can see it 377. Do I say 376? You're going to just sum it up. So you can see that. So that is the effect of mine. When you come to mine, you'll be able to get what? The daily combo. You always check on Twitter, just write hamster daily combo. Then after that, always increase all by buying all this card. You can come to market, buy anyone you want, PR. Then when you buy all of this, it will increase your profits per hour. So after that, the next one is friends, where you have to copy your referral link. Just click on this particular place here, then you tap it. It's copied like that. So simple. Then the next one is the end. The next one, that which is the end, you have to perform all these tasks to get all these coins. When you get 3 persons, you get 25,000. When you choose an exchange, you get 5. When you follow them on X, you get 5,000. You can get an exclusive listing info, you get 50,000 for that. On joining on their Telegram channel, you get 5,000 for that. And when you come to this daily reward by engaging it every day, I mean every day, always come to engage your daily reward every day, so you get more coins. So that's how to run the stuff with this hamster. It doesn't matter if you boost or not, your boosting should be this, your boosting should be this, not really this. It should be this one at the top here. This one that I circled here should be your main focus, should be your main goal. So after you're done with this, you are good to go. I can just even leave this app right now, and before I know, maybe in 1 hour I will have about 500,000 of coins, based on the fact that I've been able to increase my profit per hour. So thank you guys, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope you understand. Bye. Thank you.